Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by vacuuming the area with a powerful vacuum cleaner, ensuring you use a brush attachment. This helps to agitate the carpet fibers and bring the fine brick dust to the surface. Go over the area multiple times, changing the direction of your strokes to ensure you capture as much dust as possible. This initial step is crucial for removing the bulk of the dust before moving on to deeper cleaning methods. For a deeper clean, consider using a dry carpet cleaning powder. Sprinkle it generously over the dusty areas, letting it sit for about 20 minutes to absorb the fine particles. Then, gently brush it into the carpet before vacuuming it all up. If you encounter any stubborn spots, a slightly damp cloth with a small amount of mild detergent can be effective. Remember to blot, not rub, to avoid spreading the dust. Sometimes, brick dust can leave a slight discoloration or residue. A simple solution of 1 part white vinegar mixed with 2 parts water can work wonders. Lightly spray this mixture onto the affected areas, then gently blot with a clean, white cloth. It's important not to oversaturate the carpet, as too much moisture can lead to other issues like mildew. Repeat this process until the discoloration is gone. Once you've cleaned the carpet, ensure it air dries completely. Open windows or use a fan to provide good ventilation, which helps prevent any musty odors. To prevent future brick dust issues, place mats at all entry points to your home. Regular vacuuming, especially in high-traffic areas, will also help maintain a clean and dust-free environment, keeping your carpets looking their best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.